All of these are significant. You must have heard of Bhuj in 2001 earthquake. Many lives were lost, and how Bhuj as a city was rebuilt. And it was when Prime Minister Modi was then the Chief Minister. It was all a reflection of the kind of community building to come together, state, people, and different groups to be able to rebuild a city that was so badly devastated, in which I think over 3,000 people at least had lost their life. It was a massive earthquake, but Bhuj managed to be rebuilt, and that was reflective of Gujarat's resilience. And now Prime Minister Modi, not wasting any opportunity, waving constantly the left and the right, which are streets packed by his supporters. You see people on the rooftop as well. This is a push for a border state, infrastructure push. 80,000 crore rupees rail road infra projects, a Vikas push for a border state, but as much for his home state. An area where he may not be representing it now in terms of the Lok Sabha, but he clearly realizes the welfare of the people that is as much of significance. But you can see that in this visit, for the government, it may be as much about the infrastructure push. But for people, and especially for women, it is as much about Operation Sindoor. There's a reason you see them dressed in the red saris, full-on cultural extravaganza that has been organized. As you see, the freedom fighters being represented in costumes. There's a thank you message to the Indian Armed Forces. Special posters have been put up for the Indian Armed Forces as well in the backdrop of Operation Sindoor. And this kind of fervor, remember, is often very important. At a juncture like this, when there was this anger, distress, we have visuals on the ground of people realizing that India can and will hit back if our innocent civilians are hit. And also remember that it's not just about a secondary view. There were victims from Gujarat as well, from the Pahalgam terror carnage. And they also had said, annihilate Pakistan, wipe out terrorism. At least two individuals. I remember there was one, Yatish Parmar, about 46 years of age. His 17-year-old son from Bhavnagar were among the 26 tourists killed. I reiterate, a father and son. A teenager boy and his father were killed in front of the family members, in front of the women specifically, among the 26 killed point blank range because they were Hindus in Pahalgam. And at that juncture, Yatish Parmar's widow had said, we salute the armed forces and urge the government to be unsparing against Pakistan and to wipe out terrorism. She had also responded later when the airstrikes were carried out. So remember, this Pahalgam massacre was personal to not just families, but to states, to all of India. So listen in now to what Prime Minister Modi had said after Operation Sindoor, that his promise had been fulfilled. And now we're talking about families destroyed forever only because they went on a vacation to Kashmir, and men and boys of their family were shot dead point blank range.
मां भारती का सेवक मोदी यहां सीना तान कर खड़ा है। मोदी का दिमाग ठंडा है, ठंडा रहता है, लेकिन मोदी का लहू गर्म होता है। और अब तो मोदी की नसों में लहू नहीं, गरम सिंदूर बह रहा है। पहले घर में घुसकर किया था वार, पहले घर में घुसकर किया था वार, अब सीधा सीने पर किया प्रहार है। आतंक का फन कुचलने की, आतंक का फन कुचलने की यही नीति है, यही रीति है, यही भारत है, नया भारत है। मैं देशवासियों से कहता हूं, जो सिंदूर मिटाने निकले थे, जो सिंदूर मिटाने निकले थे, उन्हें मिट्टी में मिलाया है। जो हिंदुस्तान का लहू बहाते थे, जो हिंदुस्तान का लहू बहाते थे, आज कतरे कतरे का हिसाब चुकाया है। जो सोचते थे भारत चुप रहेगा, आज वो घरों में डूब के पड़े हैं।
Think of the woman from Gujarat or any other state who was in Kashmir Valley and who saw her husband and son in a pool of blood, killed only because they were Hindus. That's what at least one family from Gujarat, for example, faced, and I'm talking about 26 families here. At this juncture, many of them had demanded stringent action against Pakistan, against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism. And with the kind of Operation Sindoor, we saw precise attacks to target terror camps, then military, and not even harming civilians of Pakistan. Incredible work by Indian Armed Forces. That's why you see the posters thanking them and acknowledging the political will of Prime Minister Modi. But it's as much about, of course, support now that he's back into his home state. I want to bring in Piyush Mishra on that. Piyush, you try and explain this to me about why do you believe that while it's a Vikas push that Prime Minister Modi has done earlier as well for the state of Gujarat, what do you think is so different this time? Why and how is Operation Sindoor the highlight?
Well, that's the biggest highlight, Pooja, because after the success of Operation Sindoor, we are now seeing PM Narendra Modi coming to his home state, Gujarat, for the very first time. And the moment he landed there at Vadodara airport, he was welcomed by the women. More than 30,000 women of Vadodara had come on the streets of Vadodara to welcome their beloved leader. They were there to congratulate him for the success of Operation Sindoor, because one message which the women want to give that Prime Minister has been able to successfully save and also give befitting reply to Pakistan. He has been able to successfully save the Sindoor of women across the country, and under his leadership, the armed forces have successfully carried out the Operation Sindoor. So that's why this is a very important and a crucial visit of PM Narendra Modi, as he is son of the soil, and the sisters of Narendra Modi are here to thank their brother for ensuring that the lives, the justice is given to the victims of a Pahalgam terror attack. Remember that after Vadodara, Prime Minister will head to Dahod, and then from there to Bhuj, and then after Bhuj he will go to Ahmedabad, and wherever he will go, he will only be received with a grand welcome. He will be accorded a grand welcome by the people of Gujarat. Prime Minister is not only here, for celebrating the success of Operation Sindoor, but also to dedicate the projects for more than 80,000 crore to the people of Gujarat. Pooja.
Piyush, stay on with me, because this in many ways is one of those big victory rallies that we see. And it's the Nari Shakti Swagat for Prime Minister Modi. Hundreds of women I could see who had lined up there at the road show. This is being organized in Vadodara. And you can see the kind of religious diversity in the state of Gujarat. You can see the kind of emotion and mood. Women on rooftops, women in the roach, in the audience as well. Young girls waving, showering petals. Different communities, different groups. But there's a reason that Prime Minister Modi was elected repeatedly, not just as a chief minister, but as a prime minister as well, and a lot of chunk of that support coming in from Gujarat. Listen in now directly to the women. These women are in this audience. Why are they there? Why do they believe Operation Sindoor was a success?
कैसी फीलिंग रही प्रधानमंत्री को यहाँ से जाते हुए देखकर प्रधानमंत्री ने आपका अभिवादन किया?
बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग रही, और हम इस कॉस्ट्यूम में खड़े तो हमें बहुत प्राउड फील हुआ कि हमने आर्मी में परफॉर्मेंस करके उनको देखा है।
इंडिया को हम फुल्ली प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, बाय डांस। हमने जो परफॉर्म किया सिंदूर थीम का जो था, तो अच्छा लगा हमें भी ये कॉस्ट्यूम में।
मोदी जी के आने से हम लेडीजों की सुरक्षा है, हम अपने हिसाब से जो भी करते हैं अपने दम पे करते हैं और मोदी जी से हमको हिम्मत मिलती है, एक ताकत मिलती है लेडीज को। अब पहले हमको नहीं थी, हमको बहुत ताकत मिलती है अभी। एक नारी सब पे बारी। मोदी जी ने जो जवाब दिया उसके बाद में बड़ौदा में ये पहला उनका इनवाइट था कि अपने सिंदूर की रक्षा करने वाला आज तक कोई पैदा नहीं हुआ है। ओनली बा, गुजराती में बोलते हैं बा, हीरा बा का सपूत, हीरा बा का लाड़क वाया, ओनली फॉर गुजरात का टाइगर नरेंद्र मोदी।
All right, so these women, many of them were seen dressed in red saris, symbolic for the sindoor, and therefore also reflecting on the success and appreciation for Prime Minister Modi. Look at that. Full-on flower shower for Prime Minister Modi. Remember, many of them standing there since early this morning to catch a glimpse of Prime Minister Modi. Of course, a heavy security cordon at the roadshow. And then he heads, like I said, to Dahod, Bhuj, and then to Gandhinagar. It's a two-day visit. Gandhinagar is tomorrow. Today's focus will be Dahod and Bhuj, where a locomotive manufacturing plant is is established and will be inaugurated. Locomotives will be inaugurated as well. We are told a first electric locomotive manufactured at the plant. But of course, till that happens, you can't miss the kind of support. It's incredible for what we see in Gujarat right now. Not just perhaps 100, 200 meters. This is kilometers of support. And in this temperature, remember, in Vadodara. Let's listen in to this report in voices. Piyush Mishra got us from the ground.
Here the women of Vadodara are seen performing Garba as PM Narendra Modi has landed here and he has just conducted a road show, and you can see the 60-degree view around me where the women are holding caps on their forehead of Operation Sindoor are performing Garba here, and the message is clear of Operation Sindoor, and they are here to thank PM Narendra Modi and congratulate him for the success of Operation Sindoor. You can see as to how the happy faces, the excited faces are here of the women who are now dancing on the patriotic song. So these are the visuals which tells us the story of the love which PM Narendra Modi enjoys, and that's the stage of Vadodara, which has now been set up right in front of airport here in Vadodara, airport in Vadodara, and here the female workers of BJP and the people of Vadodara have come here, and they are now sending a message to the entire world. सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरे ज़रा हम पे डालो जोर जो है हम दिखाएंगे. So that's the message which the women of Vadodara are also sending, and they are very happy that PM Narendra Modi is here.
All right, amid all of this, Colonel Sophia Qureshi's sister, the family also known to be from Gujarat, and in fact Vadodara, speaking right now. That's Colonel Qureshi's sister.
जो मैं खुद एक फीमेल हूँ तो वो उस चीज़ को फील कर सकती हूँ कि मोदी जी ने फीमेल को कितना ऊपर उठा दिया है.
मैम, सोफिया जी के बारे में बताएं, जो जिस तरीके से सोफिया जी एक चेहरा बनी है आतंकवाद के विरोध का, उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे आप?
कर्नल सोफिया कुरैशी जो है मेरी ट्विन सिस्टर है, मुझसे 15 मिनट्स बड़ी है. तो अगर सिस्टर है तो थोड़ा सा अलग फीलिंग आती है, क्योंकि कंट्री के लिए जब आपकी देश के लिए जो है आपकी बहन, जब आपकी सिस्टर उसमें उसका एक पार्ट होती है, तो वो फीलिंग बहुत ही इंस्पायर करती है, मोटिवेट करती है. मुझे ही नहीं, मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे लोग. अब वो मेरी सिस्टर नहीं रही, पूरी कंट्री की सिस्टर हो गई है.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच. एक पीएम आए और आपके परिवार से मिले, सर क्या कहेंगे?
जी, इट वाज अ ग्रेट मोमेंट कि ऑनर प्राइम मिनिस्टर यहाँ आए थे. हमने पहली बार सामने देखा और उनका जो हमने नमन किया, उन्होंने किया जो इशारा था, सुनाई नहीं दिया लेकिन आंखों में समझ पड़ गया कि इट वाज अ प्राउड मोमेंट एंड इट्स ग्रेट प्लेजर कि हमको हमने आमने सामने मिला. थैंक यू सो मच.
और जिस तरीके से आपकी बहन के बारे में बताया, जिस तरीके से पूरे वर्ल्ड में उनका एक रेपुटेशन बना है आतंकवाद के खिलाफ, उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, इसमें सबसे पहला हाथ हमारी डिफेंस फोर्सेस, हमारी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का है कि जिन्होंने मौका दिया. और नो डाउट कि जब औरतों के साथ जो गलत हुआ है उसका बदला एक औरत ले, उससे बेहतर कोई मोमेंट नहीं है. इट्स अ सलाम है हमारी फोर्सेस को कि उन्होंने एटलीस्ट आज वो बता दिया उन दुश्मनों को कि यहाँ के औरतें किसी मर्दों से कम नहीं है.
थैंक यू सर.
और जब तक हमारे देश में महिला सशक्तिकरण नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आधी आबादी हमारी औरतों की है, और अगर 50% ऊपर नहीं आएंगी तो देश आगे कैसे आएगा। सो जो ये अभी वर्क हो रहा है, जो चीज़ें बढ़ रही हैं, या हमारी गवर्नमेंट जो कर रही है, या ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज़ डूइंग इट, इट्स फैंटास्टिक, इट्स अ ग्रेट चॉइस। थैंक यू
सर, थैंक यू।
So the family members, especially the twin sister there. That's the visual on your screen. You can see the brother, and in the brown, that's the sister of Colonel Qureshi right there at the forefront and the poster behind them that we thank the armed forces, Senane Shat Shat Vandan, and of course Prime Minister Modi receiving appreciation as well. So they say that they got a glimpse of Prime Minister Modi. They were happy to see him, even if it was barely for a few seconds, and they are very proud of Colonel Qureshi, of course, her contribution, but as much, of course, to all the Indian armed forces. And it was great to see Prime Minister Modi as well. So these are big moments, remember. This is reflection of what you can see is unity and diversity of this country at a juncture like this, to ensure that Pakistan will be fought and collectively by all Indians. A beautiful moment of 3 generations of women of a family on the rooftop cheering, doing namastes to Prime Minister Modi. Remember, this is the kind of support that has brought Narendra Modi back as Chief Minister and then back as Prime Minister as well. Of course, heavy security cordon. You can see that there are police personnel deployed on top of the house, on the roofs as well, but also reflective of the kind of mood on the ground. We'll continue to get more reactions on what exactly is unfolding. It's going to be an important visit. Remember, one of the big visits to Gujarat, especially after Operation Sindoor, and therefore you see posters, placards, banners about Operation Sindoor, women dressed in red, thanking Prime Minister Modi. Let's listen into more voices and reactions on the ground to help understand the sentiment.
एकदम मतलब देशभक्ति, पेट्रोटिज्म जो हमारे अंदर से निकल रहा था, वो किसी को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं। एक खुशी एक अलग थी, और सबसे बड़ी बात तो नारी सशक्तिकरण। जो मैं खुद एक फीमेल हूँ, तो वो उस चीज़ को फील कर सकती हूँ कि मोदी जी ने फीमेल को कितना ऊपर उठा दिया है।